Ever wondered why routine maintenance is so crucial for your home? Picture this. You've just moved into your dream house. It's got the perfect kitchen, a cozy living room, and bedrooms that promise sweet dreams. You're excited, and rightly so. But with great houses come great responsibilities. One of those responsibilities is routine maintenance, the unsung hero of homeownership. It's like a regular health checkup for your home, ensuring that everything is in top shape and functioning as it should. Because, let's face it, it's better to spot a small problem now than deal with a big one later. Now let's dive into some practical tips for winter home preparation. For those in the Pacific Northwest region, winter can be a real test for your home, and a little preparation can go a long way in ensuring your home stays warm and cozy. Tip 1. Insulate your home. This includes insulating your attic, walls, and basement. This not only keeps your home warm, but also helps reduce energy costs. Tip 2. Service your heating system. Have a professional check your furnace or heat pump to ensure they are functioning optimally. Tip 3. Check your roof. Winter weather can be harsh on your roof. Look for any signs of wear and tear and have it repaired before the snow hits. Tip 4. Weather strip your doors and windows. This simple step can prevent cold air from seeping in and warm air from escaping. Tip 5. Clean out your gutters. Blocked gutters can cause water damage to your home. Make sure they are clear of leaves and debris. Tip 6. Protect your pipes. To prevent your pipes from freezing and bursting, insulate them and keep your home heated even when you are not there. In summary, routine maintenance is vital for a healthy home. It helps you spot potential issues early and saves you from costly repairs down the line. As winter approaches, remember these 6 tips. Each of these steps will help ensure that your home is ready to face the winter weather head on. Because a well-maintained home isn't just a house, it's a haven,